Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can make a poll on YouTube. I will show you how to do this in the YouTube browser and the YouTube app. So if you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. First of all, in the YouTube browser, make sure that you are already signed into your account, and after that just click here, and here you have got the option of create post. Okay, so you have to click here, and this will just redirect you to the community tab of YouTube. Here just write your poll questions, and so we have got the option of poll. Just click here, and here you have to add your poll options, like what would be the answer of my question. So I will write, and you can add more options if you want. Let's say I will add another option. So after completing these steps, you can just schedule your poll, or you can just do it right away. So for doing so, I will click on this post, and my poll is appeared here. So for making polls on YouTube, you need 500 subscribers. If you don't have 500 subscribers, then don't worry, I will show you how you can do that in the end of this video. But first, let me show you how you can do a poll using your YouTube app. Here you have to open your YouTube app, and after that just make sure that you are already signed into your account, and here you have to click on this plus option, and you have got all these options. So to create a poll, you have to click on this create a post, and I will ask the questions again. And after writing my poll questions, here you can say I have got the option of poll. So here I can just add my answers, and if you want to add more options, then again you can just add another option, like I will write as can't say. Okay, and just like this, if you want to post it right away, then you can click at the top, or if you want to just schedule your post, then you can click here, and you can just set a time. Okay, so if you can't make a poll on YouTube as you don't have 500 subscribers, then don't worry, because I have already made a video on how to grow your YouTube channel very fast, and I have talked about 6 free ways to promote your YouTube channel. To watch that video, you can just click on the I button here, or you may also find the link in the description. Just check out that video and increase your subscribers now. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.